Abstract. Despite widespread speculation about artificial intelligence's impact on the future of work, we lack systematic empirical evidence about how these systems are actually being used for different tasks. Here, we present a novel framework for measuring AI usage patterns across the economy. We leverage a recent privacy-preserving system to analyze over 4 million Claude.ai conversations through the lens of tasks and occupations in the U.S. Department of Labor's ONET database. Our analysis reveals that AI usage primarily concentrates in software development and writing tasks, which together account for nearly half of all total usage. However, usage of AI extends more broadly across the economy, with 36% of occupations using AI for at least a quarter of their associated tasks. We also analyze how AI is being used for tasks, finding 57% of usage suggests augmentation of human capabilities, e.g., learning or iterating on an output, while 43% suggests automation, e.g., fulfilling a request with minimal human involvement. While our data and methods face important limitations and only paint a picture of AI usage on a single platform, they provide an automated, granular approach for tracking AI's evolving role in the economy and identifying leading indicators of future impact as these technologies continue to advance. Introduction: Understanding AI's real-world role. While there is much discussion about how artificial intelligence will change the job market, there is a little concrete data on how AI is currently being used in the economy. Existing methods, like predictive models and user surveys, don't provide a dynamic, real-world picture of how AI is being integrated into various jobs. This paper introduces a new way to measure AI usage by analyzing millions of real, anonymized conversations with the AI model Claude. By connecting these conversations to a comprehensive database of jobs and tasks from the U.S. Department of Labor, the ONET database, this research provides a detailed, data-driven view of where and how AI is making an impact today. How the analysis was conducted. The study used a privacy-preserving tool called Clio to analyze over 4 million conversations from users of Claude.ai. This method allowed researchers to understand usage patterns without compromising user privacy. Each conversation was mapped to specific job tasks listed in the ONET database. This made it possible to see which occupations and skills are most associated with AI use. The analysis focused on several key areas. Task-level usage, identifying which specific job tasks see the most AI interaction. Depth of use, measuring what percentage of tasks within a single occupation are being performed with AI. Skills, determining which occupational skills, e.g., critical thinking, writing, programming, are most often demonstrated in AI conversations. Augmentation versus automation, classifying whether the user was collaborating with the AI to enhance their own work, augmentation, or delegating a task to be completed by the AI, automation. Key research findings. 1. AI use is concentrated but widespread. Top tasks. The most common uses for AI are in software development and writing. These two areas alone make up almost half of all usage. Broad diffusion. Despite this concentration, AI's reach is broad. About 36% of all occupations show AI being used for at least a quarter of their associated tasks. 2. AI is used more for collaboration than replacement. The study found that 57% of interactions were augmentative, where the user worked with the AI to learn, brainstorm, or refine an output. The remaining 43% of interactions were automative, where the user delegated a task to the AI with minimal involvement. 3. Cognitive skills dominate AI interactions. The skills most frequently involved in AI conversations are cognitive ones like critical thinking, reading comprehension, writing, and programming. Skills requiring physical interaction, e.g., installation, equipment maintenance, or complex interpersonal negotiation, showed very little presence in the data. 4. AI usage peaks in mid to high wage jobs. AI use is highest in the upper quartile of wages, particularly in roles like computer programmers and software developers. However, usage drops off significantly for both the highest-paying jobs, e.g., doctors who often require physical interaction and operate under strict regulations, and the lowest-paying jobs. 5. Different AI models are used for different tasks. Users tend to prefer different AI models for different needs. The Claude 3.5 Sonnet model was more frequently used for coding and technical tasks. The Claude 3 Opus model was more popular for creative writing and developing educational content. Discussion and limitations. This research provides a valuable snapshot of AI's current economic role, but the authors acknowledge several limitations. The data is from a single AI platform, Claude.ai, and may not represent all AI usage. The analysis is limited to text-based interactions, excluding image or video generation. The ONET database is a static list of jobs and may not capture new tasks or roles created by AI. Despite these limitations, the findings challenge some predictions. While some studies predicted high AI impact in the absolute highest paid sectors, this study finds the sweet spot is in well-paid but not top-tier professions. This suggests that factors beyond technical ability, such as cost and regulation, influence AI adoption. Conclusion: a starting point for tracking AI's impact. This study provides the first large-scale empirical look at how AI is being used across the economy. The findings show clear patterns. AI is heavily used in software and writing. It is more often used to augment human skills than to automate them, and its adoption is spread across a significant portion of the workforce. While these patterns reflect the current state, AI is evolving rapidly. As models become more capable, handling images, speech, and robotics, the ways humans collaborate with AI will change dramatically. This research offers a framework for tracking these changes in real time, providing crucial insights for navigating the future of work. That's all for this episode of Geek Capsule. We hope it gave you a fresh perspective on the world of technology. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment or share your feedback. If you enjoyed the show, don't forget to subscribe and join us next time for another essential read. Until then, keep your curiosity sparked and your mind open.